Welcome back, guys, to another video, and this video is reasons to ditch Windows for Linux. Let's get started. Okay, guys, welcome back, everyone. Let's go ahead and really quickly hop over to the chat. Okay, we've got nobody there. I was supposed to be having a person named Smart Linux coming and watching this live stream, but I guess he couldn't make it. So yeah, let's go ahead and read some of the reasons on this website. Guys, I did not create any of this, so don't give me credit for it, because I don't want to get arrested or anything. So hold on. Okay, I'll just start by down here because this isn't the actual reasons. That's just a little introduction, so you can read that right now and like pause the video if you'd like. So let's go ahead and start reading. Workloads in the cloud are increasingly run on Linux or developed on Linux, even on Microsoft's Azure cloud platform. This is partly because many of the cutting-edge technologies, such as containers and analytics, sorry guys, I should fail 7th grade, analytic tools have been developed on Linux, but also because many of the cloud platforms such as AWS and OpenStack are based on the operating system to start off with. As adoption of cloud services become more prevalent, the importance of Linux will only grow, and most firms are going to start using Linux if they are not already. Alright, let's go over to number 2 and read this. Okay, just wait for that to load. Alright. Despite the occasional vulnerability coming to light, Linux is regarded as much more secure than Windows. A Unix-like operating system, the platform was designed from the ground up with different privilege levels that make it much harder for malware to get unrestricted access to a system, even if it manages to split past the defenses. Alright, sorry guys, hold on, I got a notification. Okay, so Smart Linux just texted me and he said he has to miss this live stream, so yeah. Alright. I'm just responding to him, guys. Hold on. Okay, guys. Sorry about that. I'm really sorry about that. But yeah, Smart Linux just texted me and said he won't be able to make it for this live stream, but he will be able to make it probably for the live stream later. So yeah, I just read this. Yeah, you guys look all this up. I'm just reading this out loud to you, sorry, and then I'll get to my rules why you should switch to Linux, or my reasons you should switch to Linux from Windows. Alright, let's go to number 3. Wait for that to load. Alright, here it is. It's free. So, ready to give up on Windows? You're probably not alone. It's free. Actually, this is slightly misleading. Linux can be downloaded for free from many places, but if you are an organization that needs technical support and assistance, you are going to have to pay for this. Which is the business model that the developers of many Linux distributions, such as Ubuntu, Red Hat, and SUSE OpenSUSE, maybe? It might be the same word as in OpenSUSE or OpenSUSE. I don't remember how to pronounce it. But yeah, follow. Nevertheless, several studies have been found that Linux typically works out at a lower total cost of ownership than Windows. Alright, hold on just 1 second, guys. Okay, I'm back. If you are not an organization, you may also have to pay for technical support, but you can often find the answers to any problems from the community of Linux experts on many of the online user forums. Number 4. Alright, ready to give up Windows? You're probably not alone. This is the same as last time. Wide range of applications now on Linux. There once was a time when Linux users faced a dearth of... death, maybe? A dearth. I think that's dearth. I'm going to look up that word, guys. Sorry. My vocabulary is not that strong. Alright. Okay. Dearth. A scarcity or lack of something. Okay. I did not know that. Faced a security, or no, not security, a scarcity or lack of something. So, faced a lack of something a lack of available options. There we go. Comparable with those on Windows, but this is not the case anymore. If you are a desktop user, application suites such as SoftMaker Office or the open source LibreOffice. Sorry guys, I'm not very good at spelling when I'm under pressure. Let you do such as SoftMaker Office or the open source LibreOffice let you do pretty much anything you can with Microsoft Office, save perhaps the scripting and automation compatibilities. For developers, Linux is pretty much the place to be, with Eclipse on Linux and many of the cutting-edge app platforms like Docker and Kubernetes running on Linux. I bet you guys are laughing at me right now. This is actually pretty funny because I can't spell when I'm under pressure. Running on Linux. Even Microsoft has seen the light and is planning a version of SQL Server to run on Linux out next year. Number 5. Alright, actually, okay. Windows 10. With Windows 10, Microsoft has already shown a casual disregard for its users by using various tactics to get the platform installed on many systems as possible, regardless of whether users want it or not. For business, the alarm bells should have started ringing when Microsoft updated Windows 10 Pro, the edition most likely to be used to mid-sized firms, and removed the ability for admins to turn off access to the Windows Store. That is stupid. Why? Remove the ability for admins to turn off access to the Windows Store. You should be able to do whatever you want. You can do anything in Linux Mint. You could disable pretty much anything, pretty much. It's just I'm really mad at Windows now. Like, I used to be a major Windows user. I still am, but I like Linux better now because number one reason, it's more secure. 2, it's free. 3, it's better. It's just all the reasons are it's better, it's better, it's better. All of it, it's just really awesome. A lot better than Windows. So remove the ability for admins to turn off access to the Windows Store. As I said, that is very, very, very stupid. This signaled the fact that customers are not in control of how Windows behaves on their network unless they fork out for an enterprise license. Oh, Windows, Microsoft, Windows, why? You know, I wish it was still the Windows Millennium Edition days. No. The Windows 2000 days and the Windows XP days. The days where Windows and Microsoft actually cared about people. But now, that's not the case. Now, Microsoft is just like, you guys suck. We don't care about you. You're a freaking idiot. Why? Why, Microsoft? You guys used to be so awesome. You know that? But then you had to enable the spying. You had to not allow the turn off access if you're an admin. An admin, guys. If you're an admin, you should be able to turn off the access to the Windows Store. It's a stupid, Microsoft Software Center. Their Software Center sucks. I mean, this Software Center is way better. It has way more apps and way more stuff. It's just, and pretty much, I don't know a single app in the Linux Mint Software Center that costs money. That's right, guys. I don't know any software in the Linux Mint Software Center or Software Manager that costs any money. That costs a cent, a buck, nothing. Alright, well guys, let's go ahead and move on to my reasons to switch. So let's just open up this, and let's read these away. Reasons why you should switch from Windows to Linux. Linux is faster. Windows takes up way too much space and CPU usage on your own PC. However, most Linux distributions don't require so much data, RAM, and CPU usage. This is true, guys. This is true. Most Linux distributions are a lot faster than the current Windows 10. Don't believe me? Look at most websites and stuff. If you're a Windows user screaming at your computer screen right now, if you're actually looking at the live stream, or you're just looking at this, I don't know, 10 years later, something like that. It's probably not even going to be here 10 years later, but a year later, something like that. You're watching this and you're screaming at your computer screen saying, no, Microsoft is awesome. No, it's not. They spy, they're just everything about their services is crap. Read their privacy policy, guys. It specifically states that they spy. They even pretty much say it. They don't say it like, oh, we spy on you. No. But that's how they are. They just secretly say it in their privacy policy. They think people never read the privacy policy, and they think people are so stupid. Yeah. So let's read this part. Windows collects too much information, including your location, name, and age. It's creepy knowing that Windows collects too much information from the user. Yes, guys, this is also true. Alright, Windows has too many viruses aimed for them. On Windows, viruses are very easy to install by mistake or spyware without knowing you installed it. So, spyware, guys, it's just random people staring through your camera, seeing what they're doing, or just hearing your voice, or seeing everything you're doing. This is spyware. You can't, there are only I'd say 63, probably 50 viruses in all attached to Linux and ever installed on Linux, because viruses are so hard to be installed on Linux. You probably even need a terminal to install a virus, honestly. Alright. Linux allows you to customize it however you want. Linux comes with different desktop environments to choose from. So yeah, guys, this means GNOME, Cinnamon, KDE, let's see, Unity, stuff like that. They're all free, guys, and you're able to customize them however you want. And the ability to change it and edit the appearance however you want, which is what I just said. Linux allows complete freedom. Not just that Linux distributions are full operating systems for free, but they also allow you to run and do whatever you want. So that is my 5 reasons to switch to Linux from Windows. Let's go to the chat and see if anybody's joined us. Nope, nobody's joined us. That's perfectly fine, guys, because it's a live stream. The video will still be up. You're able to comment down below, and I did not mean to do my intro. Sorry about that, guys. But yeah, I hope you like this cat. Let me eat you. Do you get it? Because it's a fat cat, and that one's tiny. Well, anyway, guys, I guess it's time to wrap this thing up. Yeah, guys, I guess it's time to wrap this up. I thank you guys very much for watching. I'll leave that 5 reasons to switch from Windows to Linux as a link in the description, the one that that guy made. But anyway, guys, as I said, it is the end of this video now. Let's wrap this up, and I hope to see you guys all in my next video. Bye, everybody!